Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Workshop Fun. This is my Bandsaw disc sander. This is an update on it and the final video. I've just completed putting the motor in for the bandsaw and the disc sander is all done now. The little bench is done since the last video for the disc sander. All I need to do now is just buy a sheet of sandpaper to glue onto it. I'll just get those adhesive ones, and that's all up and running and completed. And just as of today, I have finished fitting the motor. I actually had a change of heart with the motor. I had an English motor, Metropolitan Victor, I believe is the name, or Metropolitan Victor, half horse. I wasn't quite happy with that, only because it didn't match this motor anymore. This is a US made motor. It's a GE half horse repulsion induction, and I sort of wanted to, seeing as how I've introduced an American motor to this equation here, and the American motor is so obvious being right out on display, I wanted to keep it American. So the other day on the internet I found this lovely half horse Century motor. It's in really good order. It's actually 71 years old, and I decided that that would be the one. Anyway, I got that for $30, second hand of course, or probably for fifth hand actually, but it's going fantastic and it powers my bandsaw wonderfully, but it all keeps it American. The bandsaw itself I think is actually made here in New Zealand, but anyway, the powerhouses are all American, so that's quite cool. That's quite an achievement here in New Zealand, because there weren't too many American motors brought here. There was mainly English or Asian, but not many American. So that's good. Now, I didn't get to show you in the last video the disc sander working, so I've set it all up today so it can turn on, and same with the bandsaw, that's all ready to go. So I'll turn them both on. This is the switch for the disc sander at the moment. There you go, that's that up and running. Now also the bandsaw. There you go. That vibration's just from the door, rattles a tiny bit. But anyway, that's them both all up and running. It's been a long time to get that working. And there you go. Working beautifully. Absolutely beautifully. Really can't complain. Now I'll just shut everything off. That's not bad out of a 89-year-old motor and a 71-year-old motor. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask, and if you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye for now.